Namaste viewers, welcome to Handmade, my YouTube account. In my today's video, I'll share how I made a geode rock lamp. And if you enjoy this video, please like, share and subscribe. That would be great. Okay, now let's create. I will begin this project by forming a rock with a cavity. I have this organic shape marked on this sheet. And to make a cavity, I have glued a bunch of newspapers and cardboards to form a rock around it. Here I'm using my repurposed cardboard paper mache for the rock, starting from the base of the rock, and then added this block of cardboard in the middle and covered it with paper mache. Here I'm trying my best to make the base of the rock smooth and straight, as I don't want to add extra work of sanding this rock when it's dried. And I have learned from my previous paper mache projects that is hard. If you want to check out my other paper mache projects, I'll add a tab to it on this screen. Later I changed my design a little and made this cavity bigger. At the base of this rock, I have a hidden nook to add a strip of LED lights as well. And I had two ideas for the shape of this rock. Either a round, more pebble shape, that would have been awesome as well. But then I decided for this time I should make a rock with more cleaner lines. And I'm aware it will turn out a bit rough rock. Please bear with me, I'm still working on it. As you can see, time and again, I'm making sure the base of this rock is pretty level so that it stands on its own and I don't have to sand it off later when this project is dried. And here I have my rock all done and ready to dry out in the sun. I also added this straw for an outlet of our light feature. Later I'll also move the straw a little bit lower next to the base, as I will extend the cavity as well. And here how it looks when this rock is completely dried with bigger cavity, and it looks pretty good. Everything's pretty much fine, but I decided I have to fill it up with something. For that, I stuffed it with newspaper balls and poured plaster of Paris and water mixture in it to give it more shape. And before I glue glass beads on this plaster part of the rock, I spray painted it with green color. And now let's talk about these shiny glass beads. I had many options to choose for my geode, and I landed on red, purple, gold, white and grey. I started to glue the beads in the center of the rock, moving outwards in more oval circular shape, much more like a natural geode. For the edge of geode, I made a cluster of glass beads. The beads I used are purple in color, and to make the cluster, I have to use a needle and a thread of the same color as the beads. Starting with the first bead, which I tied to our thread, I made a couple of knots to it with extra end of the thread, and oops, I almost dropped this box of beads. That would have been so much work to collect them back. So once I have this first bead secured to end of our thread, I held that bead with one hand. I started with single beads at a time first, and every time I pour a bead into our thread, the needle passes through the first bead that I tied to the thread. And I tripped this box. Thank God only few beads dropped, and here I'm collecting every bead. Now I have to be careful next time. Here I'm trying to focus my camera on this beads. Finally, so as I said, to make this cluster, I started by a single bead at a time. After few of them, I started with two beads at a time, passing the needle every time from the first bead that is tied to the thread. I kept on repeating the same step till I was happy with the size of the cluster, and in end I tied two ends of the thread together, securing the beads. Here I have the first cluster ready. These little balls of beads look so beautiful. I kept on playing with them. And here's how they look from up close. Pretty beautiful, right? So the beads that I chose had different shades of purple in them, so that gave this cluster a little more spark. And now it's time to glue them on our geode. I used silicone to glue them because it's better than regular glue. I also painted this geode with black acrylic color and added a strip of LED light in the end. I hope you enjoyed this project. If you guys are interested, you can follow me on Instagram as well at CreativeHeadHM. I will see you guys soon with more creative projects. Do take care, love and light, bye.